In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download ChatGPT on your PC, specifically for Windows 10 or 11. Whether you're using the latest updates or still finding your footing with earlier versions, this guide will help you successfully install ChatGPT in just a few simple steps. To begin, you'll want to open a web browser on your computer. In this guide, we'll be using Google as our search engine. Open your preferred web browser, and in the address bar, type google.com and hit enter. This will take you to the main Google search page. Once you're there, locate the search bar in the middle of the screen. Next, you'll need to type ChatGPT Download PC into the search bar. This set of keywords is essential as it directly relates to what we're trying to achieve: downloading ChatGPT onto your PC. After you've typed in the keywords, press the Enter key, which will initiate a search for the most relevant results for downloading ChatGPT. One of the top results you will see is a link to ChatGPT for desktop. It's important to identify the most official or credible link, typically from the official ChatGPT website or a trusted technology publication. Once you've identified it, go ahead and click on that link to navigate to the correct download page. On the ChatGPT website or the source page, there should be a straightforward option saying Download for Windows. This is typically prominently displayed to make the user experience as seamless as possible. Clicking on this button will start the process of downloading the ChatGPT installer to your PC. The final step is to click the download button to begin downloading the installation file to your computer. Your computer may prompt you to choose the location where you wish to save the installer, or it may download automatically to your default download folder. Depending on your browser settings, you might have to provide permission, so go ahead and give any necessary approvals. Once the download completes, you can locate the installer file in your download directory. Double-clicking this file will launch the installation process, and from there, follow any on-screen instructions to complete the installation of ChatGPT onto your device. Congratulations! You've successfully downloaded and installed ChatGPT on your PC. You can now enjoy a more personalized and interactive experience with AI right from your desktop. Feel free to explore and enjoy everything ChatGPT has to offer. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful tech tutorials.